In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and print your customer list from QuickBooks Online. First, open your web browser and sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're inside your company file, look at the left-hand navigation menu. Click Sales. This section is where QuickBooks manages customer-related activity, including invoices, payments, and customer information. From the Sales area, select the Customers tab. This opens your complete customer list, where you'll see all the customers currently saved in your QuickBooks company. You can review the list here and make sure the information looks correct before exporting it. Next, look toward the upper right area of the customer list page. Find the Export option. Depending on your QuickBooks layout, this may appear as an export icon or an option within the toolbar menu. Click Export to download your customer information. QuickBooks will prepare the file and download it to your computer as a spreadsheet file that you can open in Excel or another spreadsheet program. Once the download is complete, open the file and review your customer list. You can adjust the formatting, resize columns, remove unnecessary information, or organize the data however you prefer before printing. When you're ready to print, open the File menu in your spreadsheet program and choose Print. Before printing, review your settings. Check the page layout, paper size, orientation, and scaling options to make sure the customer list fits properly on the page. Once everything looks good, click Print. Your QuickBooks customer list will now be printed and ready for your records, meetings, or business use. And that's it.